Welcome to Health Turn. Subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications about new health videos. Kidney disease is not so uncommon nowadays. You can find a number of people around you suffering from kidney disease. Unhealthy kidneys are the most irritating and painful experience for patients. But there are some natural medicines and ways to heal and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Number 1. Turmeric. This is a famous spice used in many dishes and for many medical purposes due to its anti-inflammatory property and many other health benefits. If you are suffering from kidney disease, turmeric is a magical spice. You can add it to your diet easily because turmeric contains plenty of antioxidant. That's turmeric milk, also called golden milk, is strongly recommended for kidney failure patients. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar is effective in preventing oxidative stress in the kidneys. It increases the levels of antioxidants in the body, balances blood sugar levels, and reduces blood pressure, creating optimum conditions for kidney health. Apple cider vinegar contains citric acid, which dissolves kidney stones. Frequent intake of apple cider vinegar also flushes out toxins from the kidneys. Number 3. Kidney beans. Kidney beans not only resemble the kidneys, but also remove waste and toxins from the kidney and flush out kidney stones effectively. Kidney beans are rich in vitamin B, fiber, and several minerals which help to clean the kidney and boost the function of the urinary tract. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a mild diuretic. It hydrates and cleanses the kidneys. It is also rich in lycopene, which improves cardiovascular health and ensures well-functioning kidneys. Watermelon also has large quantities of potassium salts, which regulate the acidity of urine and prevents stone formation. In fact, eating watermelon regularly is great for kidney health. Number 5. Lemon juice. Lemon is naturally acidic and increases citrate levels in urine, hence discouraging the formation of kidney stones. Lemon juice also filters blood and flushes out wastes and other toxins. Daily intake of diluted lemon juice reduces the rate of kidney stone formation and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which are the most common constituent of kidney stones. For people with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures a smooth passage of the stones. Number 6. Basil. Basil is an effective diuretic. It removes kidney stones and improves kidney functioning. Basil also lowers the level of uric acid in the blood and improves kidney health. Its ingredients such as essential oils and acetic acid break down kidney stones and allow for smooth removal. Basil is also a painkiller. Number 7. Pomegranate. Both the juice and seeds of pomegranate contain large amounts of potassium and therefore are effective in removing kidney stones. Potassium lowers the acidity of urine, prevents stone formation because of its astringent properties, curtails the crystallization of minerals, and flushes out toxins and waste from the kidneys. Number 8. Dates. When dates are soaked in water for 24 hours and then consumed after the seeds are removed, they are effective in dissolving and flushing out kidney stones. Dates are rich in fiber, helping to reduce the risk of kidney stones. The magnesium ingredient in dates also cleanses the kidneys. If you found this video informative, click the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more health videos.